Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to watch Korean Netflix in the USA. If you want to try NordVPN at a great price, make sure to check the link in the description below. If you've ever tried to watch a Korean drama or movie on Netflix from the USA, you may have noticed that the content library is limited. Netflix offers different shows and movies in each country due to licensing agreements. To access the South Korean version of Netflix, the best tool to use is NordVPN. NordVPN is highly reliable for bypassing geo-restrictions and providing fast, stable connections, making it ideal for streaming. NordVPN works by changing your digital location. This allows you to appear as if you're browsing from another country, in this case, South Korea. To get started, download and install NordVPN on your device. Once installed, open the app and log in with your account details. In the app, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in South Korea and select the South Korean server. NordVPN will automatically connect you to the fastest server in that location. You'll know the connection is successful when the map highlights South Korea and the status shows that you're connected. Now, go back to your Netflix homepage. If you're using a web browser, refresh the page to load the South Korean library. You can now search for exclusive Korean content like K-dramas or movies that are only available in South Korea. For example, you'll find popular shows and unique titles that aren't accessible in the USA. To ensure everything is working correctly, play a show or movie. It may take a few seconds to start streaming, but once it begins, you'll see that the connection is smooth and the quality is excellent. NordVPN's optimized servers ensure minimal buffering and a seamless viewing experience. That's all you need to do. NordVPN makes it easy to access Korean Netflix from the USA or anywhere else in the world. If you want to try NordVPN, don't forget to check the link in the description below for a great price.